I got an offer from BSAF as a data analyst. Hello everyone, I am Ojaswani Sahu. I have done my BSc in Computer Science from Swami Vivekananda University, Sagar MP. Then after completion of my graduation, I was not sure to which field I should go. One of my family members suggested me about Nikhil Analytics, Bangalore. Here I have taken Data Science Modeling and Machine Learning course. It is a training cum internship program. While doing internship, I got hands-on different industrial tools like SQL, R, Python, Tableau. I would like to give special thanks to Mrs. Duty Lal ma'am and Mr. Alok Ranjan sir. I am also very thankful to Mrs. Megha ma'am. Thank you very much for all guidance and support throughout. Presently, I got an offer from BSAF as a data analyst. If anyone want to make a career in data science, I will suggest Nikhil Analytics Bangalore. Thank you. Have a good day.